Okay, so in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be using the Optimum Ferrex, which is designed to dissolve ferrous oxides from wheels and painted surfaces. I do have a video showing it, how it works on the paint. So now we're going to be using it on the wheels. So you want to let it dwell on the wheels 1 to 2 minutes to fully dissolve ferrous oxides. Agitate with a soft bristle brush as needed. Okay, so it's been on the wheels for a couple minutes here. We're going to go ahead and agitate with a easy detail brush on the inside of the barrel. We're going to use a stiff bristled brush on the tires, and then we're going to use a soft bristled brush to get inside of the lug nut pockets and the face of the wheel.
Can I start playing on the other side, or do you want me to hold off?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
So the wheels are going to be pulled off for a full decontamination and sealant. At the same time, we'll be working on the calipers, but for the amount of dirt and brake dust that was on the wheel, as you saw in the runoff and in the dirty suds, the Optimum Ferrex does a pretty good job on wheels. The color change is almost instant, so you can definitely see that it's working. It's loosened up some of the heavier buildup on the inside of the wheels, but like I said, the wheels are going to be taken off the car. This is just a first cleaning after being purchased used. So I do have a walk around video that shows some of the issues that you may come across when you have a vehicle that is said to have been sent to the detail shop, but they don't really do much. It may vary from dealer to dealer, but you always want to make sure that you clean the car and find out any of the problem spots. So for another episode of Gav Details, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.